Happy Thanksgiving!
All right, we just wanted to jump in front of the camera just for a minute. It's been a tradition of ours through the years to stop on Thanksgiving and just say to you, thank you for watching, for being a part of our RC family, and just for enjoying the hobby. If you're watching this video, you're definitely a part of our RC family. You're a subscriber, you're a patron supporter, any and all of the above. We just want to say thank you, because without you, we couldn't do what we do. We wouldn't have this awesome RC channel where we just go out as a family and have some fun. You guys saw Popeye. Amelia's down taking a nap right now, and we've just been having an amazing year of RC fun.
Eat lots of turkey today, or if you're one of those weird people, go eat ham.
No, I like ham and turkey.
Just turkey.
I do both. Honey ham.
No.
A good honey ham. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food that you look forward to having every year? Let us know in the comments below.
And are you guys RCing today? I think we are going to.
Yeah, I think we are.
The wind has died down, so I think we'll be able to get outside.
For those of you that are getting ready to do all your Christmas shopping, whether it's for yourself or the people that you care about in your life, we did do a Black Friday sale video just yesterday, but more importantly, over the next coming week and a half or so, we have some really good top videos for you.
I believe the next 3 videos in a row we're going to do, being tonight, will be some top RC videos.
So like top beginner planes, top jets.
Oh, they're coming.
Drones.
Don't give it all away.
I'm excited because those kind of help narrow it down for you. Now, we are very grateful for those of you that watch all of our videos, but we totally understand that not everybody can, because we do a video every single day.
Yes.
So these are perfect for you. That way you don't have to go back and watch all of our old videos, but if you wanted to, that'd be okay.
So stay tuned for those. If for some reason this is the first video you've ever seen of ours, that would be kind of strange. But if it is, subscribe and click the notification bell. And you guys that are subscribed, check your notification bell. Make sure it's on, because you don't want to miss these top RC videos coming your way, one tonight, and then Friday and Saturday.
They're very helpful.
At least, and then I know we have more.
I've noticed that even some of you guys have been going back in like 2017, 2018, best drones of spring.
We got you covered. Stop watching. Well, I mean, you can watch your old videos. Please watch your old videos. But we have some coming your way. No worries.
I'm always excited about those. I always really like putting those out there because it makes us sit down and take a look through everything we've done over the last year and a half or so.
Sometimes it makes me a little emotional.
Yeah, when we go, it's like, wow, that was a year ago? I still have that thing.
Or even like 4 months ago, I'm like, man, that feels like we just did that yesterday. Or man, that feels like it was forever ago. It's
well, we have a little kiddo now, and so like time flies. But anyway, this is just our Thanksgiving video. We just wanted to sit down and say Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys are getting to spend some time with some people that you care about, and maybe getting some good food. No matter what, just be safe if you're traveling, and if you can, charge your battery now and get outside before it gets dark and get some RC fun in. There's no reason not to.
And if you're going out shopping tonight or tomorrow or throughout this whole holiday season, be nice to other people. Remember that. Be nice.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!